185S. It's a 1983 three-wheeler. And so the carb needs to get replaced because the carb has a bad bowl gasket crack. So it's leaking a bunch of gas. So today we're going to take off the entire carb. And I went ahead and up here, you can't see, I bought a new carb. And we're going to throw it back on and hopefully we can get this thing running again. So it's fairly simple to get the carb out. The only thing you have to do is take off this air box and then take off the gas tank, so just disconnect the fuel hose. So I'll see you guys in a minute once I kind of get some of that disassembled. Alrighty guys, so I just got off the air box and the gas tank. It's just like 4 bolts right here, and the gas tank you just unhook. Once you take the seat and everything off, the gas tank just pulls out once you disconnect the line. So fairly simple. So now guys, we're going to start with the carb. So I sprayed it down with brake cleaner just to help make sure that nothing gets in there. Even though it's like an old carb and stuff, I want to try to keep the jets clean and stuff. So this is the throttle part right here in the top. Now it will probably have some spring to it, so you just want to go nice and slow and kind of add pressure downwards. This one doesn't have like very much spring at all, but we're just going to shove a rag in the top of that, and then we're going to take the other half of the rag. One second guys. And we are just going to kind of wrap it around the jet. You see the jet's kind of coming out right there. Be careful, you do not want to lose that. Even though the new carb should come with one, you still don't want to lose the jet because the throttle cable, they're not fun, personally, to take apart and put back together, especially when you're trying to deal with all the spring and stuff. So then you're just going to need a 10mm wrench, wherever that one is, right here. And so it's pretty simple. You're just going to want to use the open end and get right onto the nut. And you want to crack one side loose, and then you want to go over here and crack this side loose. Alright. So because the carb has been taken off before on this, these nuts are pretty loose. Like they were snug down, but they come right off because the threads are still clean. So yeah, and it's gonna be just the same process, putting it back on. Just replace or like just take the fuel line off of the old carb and put it on the new carb. So I'll show you guys in a minute. Alrighty guys, so we just got the carb back on. I hooked up the gas line, so if you see in the filter there is gas in it. It might be hard to see on the camera. So now we're gonna spray some starting fluid in it. I didn't put the air box or anything back on because I want to make sure it runs first. So let's go ahead and try to start her up. Okay guys, now we're gonna try to start it up, see if it goes and starts. So kill switch is off. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Just gonna let it warm up a little bit, but there we go. She started. Let's see if she'll idle now. Beautiful. So there you guys go. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys like the video. If you want me to do more videos, leave me a comment and like and subscribe just to show that you want to see it. So without further ado guys, I'll see you later.